Today we will be cooking pasta. You will need pasta, clean water, butter, salt, and if you want some good taste, you can also add cheese. The first step is to put the water into the pan and wait until it boils. While the water is boiling, you need to put on the cap so the water boils faster. The next step is to put the pasta into the pan. If you're cooking the pasta for 2 or 3 people, if you're cooking it for 2, you have to put half of the bag into the pan. But if you're cooking for 4 people, you have to put the whole bag in. And after putting the pasta, you can put in the salt. You can at least put 2 pinches into it. The pasta will be done in 11 minutes, and if you have a timer, you can put it on 11 minutes. The next step is to take your colander and put the pasta into it, but you can put the colander onto the sink so the water doesn't go. Finally, the last step is to take a butter piece and about as big as a tablespoon and put it in the pasta, and you can mix it. After you put the pasta in the colander and the water goes out, put it back in the pan, and then you can use this and to put the pasta into the plates. And if you wanted to put cheese in it, you can of course put the cheese on top of the pasta. Have a nice lunch. And you can also put a like on this video.